Air fryers are everywhere these days. It's not just hype, folks. They offer a healthier way to enjoy our favorite fried foods. But with so many options, how do you choose? The Bella Pro 9-quart TriZone Touchscreen Air Fryer, model 14539, stands out from the crowd. This air fryer is a game changer. It boasts impressive features and a sleek design. At $149.99, it's a contender in the competitive air fryer market. Let's take a closer look at what makes this air fryer a hot commodity. This isn't your average air fryer. The Bella Pro boasts a spacious 9-quart capacity. That's big enough for a whole chicken or a mountain of chips. The dual flex basket is a game changer. It lets you cook 2 different foods simultaneously. No more flavor transfer. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to use. Pre-programmed settings take the guesswork out of cooking. This air fryer is packed with features that make cooking a breeze. The Bella Pro offers several advantages. First and foremost, it's a healthier way to cook. Air frying uses significantly less oil than traditional frying. This means fewer calories and less fat. The Bella Pro is also incredibly easy to use. The touchscreen controls are intuitive and responsive. The pre-programmed settings take the guesswork out of cooking. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe components. If you're looking for a convenient and healthy way to cook, the Bella Pro is a great option. No appliance is perfect, and the Bella Pro has a couple of minor drawbacks. Its large size can be a bit bulky. You'll need ample counter space to accommodate it. Some users have reported inconsistent cooking results. This can be frustrating, but it's often due to user error. It's important to experiment and adjust cooking times as needed. Overall, the Bella Pro's pros outweigh its cons. Section 5, Real Talk. What are customers saying? The Bella Pro 9-quart TriZone Touchscreen Air Fryer has garnered significant attention online, boasting an impressive average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 106 reviews. This high rating is a testament to the product's quality and performance. Customers from various backgrounds and cooking expertise levels have shared their experiences, highlighting how this air fryer has transformed their cooking routines. From busy parents to culinary enthusiasts, the Bella Pro air fryer seems to have struck a chord with a wide audience. Users rave about its ease of use, large capacity, and the crispy results it delivers. Many have mentioned that the intuitive touchscreen interface makes it simple to navigate through different cooking settings, ensuring that even those who are not tech-savvy can use it with ease. The large capacity is particularly appreciated by families who need to prepare meals in larger quantities without compromising on quality. One satisfied customer writes, "This air fryer is amazing. I use it for everything. From making quick snacks to preparing full meals, this air fryer has become an indispensable tool in their kitchen." They go on to mention how it has significantly reduced their cooking time, allowing them to spend more time with their family. It's so easy to use and clean. The non-stick surface and removable parts make the cleaning process a breeze, which is a huge plus for those who dread the post-cooking cleanup. Many users have highlighted that the ease of cleaning encourages them to use the air fryer more frequently, knowing that they won't have to deal with a messy aftermath. Another reviewer shares, "I love the dual baskets." This feature allows for versatile cooking options, enabling users to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. Whether it's cooking a main course and a side dish at the same time or catering to different dietary preferences within the same meal, the dual baskets offer unmatched convenience. I can cook chicken in one and veggies in the other. It's a game changer. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for those who are health conscious and prefer to cook their meals in a way that retains maximum nutrients while ensuring great taste. The positive feedback from real users speaks volumes about the Bella Pro's capabilities. It's clear that this air fryer has not only met but exceeded the expectations of many, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The consistent praise for its performance, ease of use, and innovative features underscores its reputation as a top-tier kitchen appliance. Section 6. Cooking with Confidence Bella. Pro recipes and inspiration. Don't be intimidated by your new air fryer. The Bella Pro comes with a recipe booklet to get you started. There are also countless recipes available online. From crispy chips to juicy chicken, the possibilities are endless. Experiment with different ingredients and seasonings. You'll be amazed at the delicious and healthy meals you can create. The Bella Pro makes it easy to elevate your cooking game. Let your inner chef loose and explore the world of air frying. Section 7. Alternatives. Exploring other air fryer options. While the Bella Pro is a strong contender, it's not the only air fryer on the market. If you're looking for something smaller, consider the Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 5.5 quart. If you're on a budget, the Cossery Air Fryer Max XL is a great value. Ultimately, the best air fryer for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Do your research and choose the one that best fits your cooking style and budget. Don't be afraid to shop around and find the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. Section 8. Final verdict. Is the Bella Pro Air Fryer worth it? The Bella Pro 9-quart TriZone Touchscreen Air Fryer is a solid investment for anyone looking to embrace healthier cooking. With its sleek design and modern features, it stands out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances. The air fryer is not just about frying, it's about transforming the way you cook. Imagine preparing your favorite meals with up to 85% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. This air fryer makes it possible without compromising on taste or texture. Its large capacity, dual baskets, and user-friendly features make it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The 9-quart capacity is perfect for families or those who love to entertain. You can cook 2 different dishes simultaneously thanks to the dual baskets, which is a game-changer for meal prep. The intuitive touchscreen interface is easy to navigate, allowing you to select from multiple cooking presets with just a few taps. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or reheating, the Bella Pro has got you covered. While it does have a couple of minor drawbacks, its pros far outweigh its cons. Some users have noted that the baskets can be a bit tricky to clean, and the unit itself is somewhat bulky, requiring ample counter space. However, these are minor inconveniences when you consider the overall performance and versatility of the appliance. The Bella Pro Air Fryer is designed to make your life easier and your meals healthier. At $149.99, the Bella Pro offers excellent value for its features and performance. When you compare it to other air fryers in the same price range, the Bella Pro stands out for its larger capacity and additional features. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, especially if you're committed to a healthier lifestyle. The cost is justified by the quality and convenience it brings to your kitchen. If you're ready to ditch the deep fryer and embrace a healthier way of cooking, the Bella Pro is an excellent choice. Traditional deep frying methods are not only messy, but also unhealthy due to the excessive use of oil. The Bella Pro Air Fryer uses hot air circulation to cook food evenly, resulting in crispy, delicious meals with significantly less fat. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy their favorite fried foods without the guilt. It's time to experience the crispy, delicious world of air frying. With the Bella Pro Air Fryer, you can enjoy all your favorite dishes, from fries and chicken wings to roasted vegetables and even desserts, all with a healthier twist. The convenience, versatility, and health benefits make it a must-have appliance for any modern kitchen. So why wait? Make the switch today and discover a new way to cook that's both fun and nutritious. Section 9. Call to action, where to buy and what to expect. The Bella Pro 9-quart TriZone Touchscreen Air Fryer is widely available at major retailers both online and in-store. You can find it at popular online marketplaces like Amazon, Walmart, and Best Buy, as well as in physical stores. This makes it incredibly convenient to purchase, no matter your shopping preference. Whether you prefer the ease of online shopping or the tactile experience of seeing the product in person, Bella Pro has you covered. Be sure to shop around for the best price and check for any available discounts or promotions. Many retailers offer seasonal sales, and you might find special deals during holidays or promotional events. Additionally, signing up for newsletters or loyalty programs can sometimes give you access to exclusive discounts. Comparing prices across different platforms can save you a significant amount of money. When you receive your Bella Pro, take some time to familiarize yourself with the user manual and safety instructions. The manual provides detailed information on how to use the air fryer effectively and safely. It includes tips on initial setup, cooking guidelines, and maintenance advice. Understanding these instructions will help you get the most out of your new appliance and ensure it operates smoothly for years to come. With proper care and maintenance, your Bella Pro will provide you with years of delicious and healthy meals. Regular cleaning and following the recommended usage guidelines will keep your air fryer in top condition. The Bella Pro is designed to make cooking easier and healthier, allowing you to prepare a variety of dishes with less oil and more flavor. From crispy fries to tender chicken, the possibilities are endless. Don't wait any longer to elevate your cooking experience with the Bella Pro Air Fryer. Investing in this versatile kitchen appliance will not only save you time, but also inspire you to try new recipes and cooking techniques. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, the Bella Pro Air Fryer is a valuable addition to any kitchen. Enjoy the convenience, efficiency, and delicious results it brings to your culinary adventures.